y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting rid of the mocha latte nails and we are doing inside out 2 nails, y'all. I've been wanting to do this set for so long since I seen the preview for the movie and I just never got around to it. I've been so busy, but now I am doing it, y'all. Y'all see me, I just filed off the last set and then I'm just adding in a little bit of acrylic just to balance the nail out like y'all know I do, just to get it back crisp and cute and a fresh looking set. And then I just file. Always make sure you stabilize one side of the nail. We go through this every video, y'all. And I just file it up and get it all crisp. I go around the cuticles and make it all cute, and then we start designing, y'all. I do buff with the cuticle oil and the buffer, that method, because it makes it very smooth and it makes the polish go on very smooth too. And I clean it up with alcohol so it doesn't make the gel polish slide or anything. This is the design that I drew up for the nails, y'all. The little balls you see are the core memories, and I'm doing like French tips on my pointer and my pinky. And then on my 2 middle fingers, I'm doing like a half French tip at the top and a half at the bottom. And there's going to be 2 emotions on 1 finger, y'all. I love this set. Do y'all know all these colors had me over the moon? Like, I was so happy doing this set. Like, I literally felt happy doing this set. Like, my happy emotion was going crazy because I was having so much fun. Y'all, I don't do nail art like this. I don't draw. I don't know how to draw at all. So me doing this, y'all, I felt like I was really doing something because I'm a 3D, like 3D flowers. I'll bust out a 3D flower real fast. I think I'm gonna do a full video on 3D flowers. That's my signature. 3D flowers and bling. That's what I do. I never draw. So me doing this, y'all, I just learned how to use nail art liners like a month ago. It's just so crazy to me to be drawing on nails. So y'all, I know this might not be as crisp as like Nails by Dev, but I'm coming for my sis. I'm coming for you, Nails by Dev, because girl, I'm drawing now, period. But yeah, y'all see me, I did the characters and then I added in more of the reflective gel polish around the little edges. I use a darker color than the color that is actually on the French tips, just to like line it and make it more defined. Y'all, this came out so cute. Now for the core memories, I use my pearls because the pearls have like a film over them and I want it to be like the actual balls. So I used the pearls and I lined them up on the nails, and then I mixed up all the colors with a lot of gel top coat, so it'll kind of make the colors kind of sheer, so when I paint them on you can kind of see the pearlish effect up under the core memory balls. And that's like what I wanted, because y'all, if you watched the movie, you know the core memory balls, you can kind of see through them and it kind of shows the memory, but you know your girl don't have no drawing ability to create memories on these little things, but I still wanted you to be able to see through them. So that's what you see me doing here, and it came out so cute, y'all. I would say like you do need to like flash cure in between doing a couple balls because the color went like all over the place on some of them. But y'all, this is the final results, y'all. It came out so cute. My daughter was over the moon, y'all. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, and see me in the next video. Bye.